Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I made Josh Daniel. So I make content about travel, tourism, and tech. So welcome back to my channel. So do watch my videos, drop likes, and subscribe to the channel. So I'll see you in my So this is Continental Hotel. You can come here cheap, you know. So
I All right.
Ross, thank you. This one will put you come on your station like this. Well done.
this is where you go see us. They go, we never reach where you carry us.
If you remember when I put on the drone, I was setting the parameters. I said don't the return home parameters should be more than 30 meters. Now 150. Now that return home, once it disconnects from your phone, the first thing that the drone does when it disconnects from your phone is it goes up.
And come down.
It goes up first so that it will not
Go on.
so that it will not hit any.
It go the highest and
Yes.
locate
And
where
locate where it took off.
and come down.
The seventh floor.
Okay, 7th floor.
Yes.
Hold on.
This one, the pool is fine. How your phone look?
I
You do
propose it.
content.
I propose
You
it.
do content. You need the power.
I propose to carry my laptop come.
I'm gonna see you do it myself. Why the reason I don't go on that place and then become the talk?
Nah, no matter. Quiz you here now. Do me a favor. Abola. Yo, what's up, guys? Came to look at my location very well. So we came to this particular location at Oriental Hotel. This is Oriental Hotel. So this is for where ballers falling. These are for ballers. If you're not a baller, don't come here. If you're not a baller, don't come here. Even ritually, say no fit come here. Ritualists, yeah, ritually no come, no come. Go loan pampe, no come here. So we came for a shoot, you know. So anything that make you come to Continental Hotel na business, so no come here, come say you won't waste your money. Yeah.
They'll come back. Okay, it's fine. It's fine. Let them come out. No.
You go inside. Yeah, why they draw me go back? So what's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel at Josh DAG. So I came to Lagos Continental Hotel. So we are here for a movie shoot for the Lagos housewife. Basically vlogging, touring around the hotel. So if you are in Lagos, you are in Nigeria, want to explore the city of Lagos, here is Lagos Continental Hotel. Come and vibe, come and enjoy, come and stay cool. Understand me? You know the vibe. Ballers only, ballers only, you know the vibes. Oh man, shooting at night. Continental Hotel.
Wow.
The Continental Hotel.
But we're not going to stay here. My front of.
Okay, so that you will not be appearing on it.
Yeah.
You need to hide somewhere with that. Lagos fine for night too. Just